to draw Kentucky. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, thanks for drawing with us today. Today we are going to learn how to draw Kentucky. For this, we are going to begin by drawing a small straight line right here. Then going upwards from the right side of this line, we are going to draw a very small upside down L. Awesome job! Now we are going to go to the left side of the small straight line we drew first. From the left side, we are going to draw a small C going upwards. Perfect! Then connecting to that, we are going to draw a squiggly line that goes upwards towards the right, that then curves around back towards the left a little bit. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we are going to draw a curved line connecting to that will be right here. The whole top outline of Kentucky is going to be a series of curved and squiggly lines. Next, we are going to draw a small squiggly line going to the right from where we left off. Then from there, we are going to draw a small line going upwards. And then we are going to draw a longer squiggly line that is going to be right here. Great job! Then we are going to draw a small curved line that will look like an upside down U. Then we are going to draw a taller squiggly line that will look somewhat like an M. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Then we are going to draw a curvy line that will go right here. Looking good so far! Next, we are going to draw a squiggly line that goes straight up from where we left off. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! We are almost finished drawing the top part of our outline of Kentucky. Next, we are going to draw a squiggly line that goes to the right a little bit and then curves downwards. Awesome! Now we are going to draw a curvy line that is going to go towards the right. This will be right here. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we are going to draw a curved line that goes downwards a little bit. And then we are going to draw a curved line going downwards towards the right. Awesome, we're almost finished. Next, we are going to draw a squiggly line that will go right here. And then from the bottom of that, we are going to draw a straight line going all the way to the left, connecting to where we started drawing our outline of Kentucky. Now for the final step, let's go ahead and draw that straight line to connect our outline of Kentucky together. This is how to draw Kentucky. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in, and comment down below what you would like us to draw next. Thanks for drawing with me today, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. I can't wait to do it again soon. See you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.